It's Tim here from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the keyboard not working on your Android phone. So if you go to the top right, and we can go to settings right here, and we can go to search, and we can just type in keyboard, and we can go to the keyboard settings. On my Samsung phone is under general management, but we can go into here now, and if we need to change the keyboard settings, we can. Now some of the keyboards that you might be using on my Samsung phone, I do have the option under here to reset it. So we can see the default keyboards. I have Samsung or Gboard. I can switch it just under here. But like I said, I can reset it under here. There's an option to reset the default for all the different settings. Now, depending on the brand of phone that you're using, you might be using Samsung keyboard, or you might be using the Gboard or something else. We can go over to the apps and we can reset it for everything. So let's go to apps under here, and then find our keyboard. So go to this little option to search and go to show system apps, and then we can just type in keyboard or just board. So under here I should be able to find the Gboard, which is the Google keyboard, which is probably going to be on your Motorola, your Google Pixels phones, and most of your Android phones. Then Samsung keyboard is located right here. This is a system app, so you have to select show system apps or it won't show up. And once you find your keyboard under here, just go into storage, go to clear cache, and go to clear data, and this will reset the keyboard. And we can do the same thing for a Gboard too. So that's what you're probably using on your Google Pixel Motorola's. Then we go to storage and we can clear this out, and I just did that before. Now you can also go to the Google Play Store if your keyboard still doesn't work. Go to search, just type in keyboard. If you don't have the Google keyboard, I'd suggest getting the Gboard if you're on a Samsung phone. So we can just go to this, so we can uninstall it and then reinstall it. So this is the Gboard, that's pretty good. Then we could try some other one here. So just download a new keyboard and see if that works for you. So this one has like 1 million downloads. We can try that out. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.